So look at this. One of my followers, and this is the most incredible gift. So here's Brutus. Hi, Brutus. And I'm gonna give him some peanuts. Well, happy OONSDAY, guys. You know, we are just hours away from blizzard conditions. It's coming, it's on its way. And I'm a little surprised to see a couple out here. And they just showed up. It's getting late in the night too. And I had to put some food out. I thought, man, there's some really bad weather coming. So here's Brutus. Hi, Brutus. And I'm gonna give him some peanuts. Got some dog food out there. The guy with the really bent-shaped tail, there he goes across the yard. He's a little nervous. He was here too. So I did see Cutie Monster last night right before bed. So I spoiled her last night. I gave her a bunch of peanuts, cookies, shut the door, and then I headed off to bed. Because I'd like to do one last check right before I go to bed. Because they just come out of the blue all of a sudden. And I had been checking all night, no one, and then there she was right at the end of the day. So I'm going to be up for a couple more hours, and I think in about 4 hours the winds are really going to pick up and it's going to start to snow. The heaviest of the snow is going to be midday tomorrow until the end of tomorrow, and at the end of it we could be in the 6 to 8 inch range with snow. And you've been hearing me in these videos. I've been going on and on about how strange this is not to have any snow in January, and all of December we were without it. So now I've talked too much and Papa Winter heard me and he says, I'll show you snow. So I got the snowblower working yesterday, did a test run. So I feel confident that I can handle it. I guess it's going to be really heavy stuff too. So I know it's all over the country, this crazy weather. There goes Brutus. He's heading right for his den. He felt that strong wind. He knows what's coming. So I hope you all fare well with this crazy storm coming. It's getting all of us all over the country. So good luck, everyone. So look at this. One of my followers, and this is the most incredible gift, drew my raccoons and me hand feeding them, and uploaded the video onto YouTube. This is Martina. She's in Europe, and you might remember her from the food competition. She won round number 2. She had that interesting kind of cookie with the grapes and the sour cream, and I'm blown away by what she's done here. And I would hope everyone would go to her channel. It's a very small channel, but just show your love and support for her, because this is one of the nicest gifts anyone's ever done for me. And she captured their faces and their expressions just beautifully. So here I have a cover over my lawn furniture, and I put a lot of food under there where I know the snow's not going to get to it. I think I hear the possum under there. Yeah, Mr. Possum's under there crunching on it. So I'm probably going to put some more food under there, just in case when it starts to snow tonight, if someone's hungry, the dog food doesn't get all wet, they could crawl under there, get a good bite to eat. Sometimes I'll tuck it real tight under the overhang too, where it doesn't get so wet, so that there's always some dry food to access. So Mr. Possum here is eating a breadstick I covered in some fat. He's liking that. I really want him to eat out of my hand. It's pretty cute. Beautiful coat of fur. I like how he's holding on that breadstick. They have the most curious hands when you look at their prints in the snow. It's so unique from any other animal track. And I've noticed most of my possums that show up have really dark legs. Come on, buddy. Come on over here. Not too big of fingernails compared to raccoons. He's pretty cool with me. He's just chomping right in front of me here. Not so terribly shy. Come on, smell the cookie. This is the key to getting into your heart. I know it is. Just don't want to make any sudden moves. Oh, having a tough time swallowing. Okay. Getting closer. Getting closer to the moment. Come on. Oh my God. Right there. Put its nose on the cookie, almost on my finger, and for reasons unknown to me, did not commit to taking it. Might give me another chance? Oh no. I think I see blood on its tail right at the base. Oh, come on, possum. Give me another try. Give me another try. Oh. So, that close. That close to it taking it out of my hand. It touched the food in my hand, didn't take it. Does that count? I don't think so. So here's an area on the back of my house where I got a wheelbarrow and a plastic garbage can tipped over with a tarp. And so it curves in there, going up into the garbage can, and I have a nice plush dog bed in there. It's nice and covered, nice and insulated, nice and warm. So for this snowstorm, they can go in there. Possums, raccoons, whatever wants to use it, and have some shelter, have some warmth, have a nice bed. And I'm hoping someone's using my tunnel here that I constructed for the raccoons. It's hard for me to stick the camera in there and peek, but maybe I'll give it a shot. Hopefully nothing's there to take my arm off. Put the canoe on top for some added buffer. Alright, I have no idea what that showed. So here's my wood pile, and it goes and goes. It's covered with tarps. The animals love to go under here. So you see I put some dog food there too, so it won't get covered by the snow. And you can see the trail that goes under there and under the tarp. And right when I walk back here, the possum shot in right under there. This is where Cleopatra was hanging out with her babies in the spring last year. So I try to do everything I can just to give them a little bit of a hand. They know what they're doing in nature. They know how to find a good home. But any little bit of help, I'm sure is appreciated on their end, especially with the food. They sure do enjoy having a consistent source of protein every night. So they're not crossing roads, getting hit by cars looking for food or diving in dumpsters. Okay, it's begun. We got about 7 more inches to go today. So a lot of the food I had out last night for the raccoons, the dog food underneath there, it is all gone. So they did show up last night. They got themselves a nice meal. And I'm guessing they're going to be in their hollows, in their dens, probably for a week or more. It's going to be cold, and we're going to have a lot of snow. They don't like treading through that real heavy snow. Yep. Happy OONSDAY, everyone. Good luck with your storm systems wherever you are in the country. Bye now.